Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your touchscreen isn't responding on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. First of all, try force restarting your device. In order to do so, press and hold power button and the volume down keys at the same time and just wait until your screen goes dark. After that, you can release both buttons, and in the meantime you can also wipe the surface of your display to make sure that no dirt or no debris are causing your device's display to freeze. Use a dry microfiber cloth or just a dry towel if you don't have microfiber cloth around. And after your device is restarted, check if your touchscreen started to work. If it didn't, then maybe there is some third-party application blocking this feature for you and blocking your touchscreen, basically, and making your phone lag. And in such case, you're gonna have to restart your phone into the safe mode. And in order to do that, force restart your smartphone again by holding down the same two buttons, and then wait until the Xiaomi logo appears on your screen, and then wait for about 5 seconds after you start seeing it before holding down the volume down button by itself. Then you're gonna have to wait until your device switches to the following logo and vibrates slightly. At this point, you can release the volume down key and just wait for your device to start in the safe mode. Now in the safe mode, check if your touchscreen is working. If it's still not working, that means that the background applications or the background processes are the reason to your touchscreen malfunctioning. And if you want to, and in case your touchscreen works in the safe mode, you're gonna have to either go to the apps menu and find any application that you didn't install on your smartphone and try removing it, and then reboot your device back into the normal mode, which you can do, of course, by either force restarting your device again or by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time and selecting reboot. Now, as the last resort, if your touchscreen didn't start responding in the safe mode, first of all, you can try removing the screen protector from your device. If your device has a screen protection on it, it may interfere with your touchscreen, and in such case, it's better if you first remove the screen protector and try using your touchscreen without it and see if this helps. And if it doesn't help, as a last resort, you can perform a factory reset operation, which will erase all data from your smartphone, but it may be the last option for you to regain access to your touchscreen. And if you want to perform a factory reset operation on your smartphone, let's hold down the volume down key and the power button until the device force restarts, and then hold down the volume up key and keep holding it until your device enters recovery mode. Okay, and now in recovery mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power button to select. In order to perform factory reset operation, select wipe data, then on the following screen select wipe all data, and then either leave your device to reboot, or if it's if you get back to this menu, select reboot the system, and wait for the operation to finish, and after that your device will be fully reset. And if your touchscreen doesn't start responding after that, then you should definitely contact Xiaomi customer support service and let them know about this issue, and most probably send your device to them for repair. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.